Okay, I'm back at the Rockford Restore again. It's kind of interesting that the restore that I come to most often is not the one that's closest to my house, but they tend to have a lot of stuff here that I look for. These are cool. Let's see how they're priced. Oh, 15. 25 for the 5? I might get the 5, honestly. I don't have any of those. We'll see. These are pretty good fans. LED Christmas lights, pretty cool. Okay, I know Rick was looking for there was a canopy here that he wanted. Let's see if it's still here. It's one of the reasons I stopped today, although I'm not sure that he didn't pick it up himself. He might have already. It was like right here, so either it's moved or it's gone. I don't see it. What is this? This is interesting. It's real glass. I don't know what that goes to, but it's very cool. I'm sure I'll regret if I don't get it. I'm sure I'll regret it because somebody like Jonas will tell me, "Ew, Dan, that is for this thing. That is so cool and rare. You must get it." Let's see if they replenished on incandescents because I've pretty much cleaned them out of incandescents. Why do they have so many Type R's? I don't need any more Type R's. I might get these. I'm going to get a cart, I think. And I'll spend some time back here. Also, they have those. That's pretty cool. Not sure why they're on swivels, but that's pretty cool. This is where the fan canopy should go. Oh, these are useful. I don't know. Might get those. Okay, I'm going to get a cart because I think I am going to get a few things. Luckily, I'm not in a hurry today. In fact, I'm early. So, thanks for watching.